Alternative to PYProxy Unlimited Residential. If you are using PYProxy for their unlimited residential proxies, you're probably wondering what to do next. PYProxy was popular because of its unlimited residential plan. Many users depended on it for high-volume tasks, automation, account management, and continuous daily operations. But now that it's no longer available, thousands of users are searching for a reliable replacement. That's where FlashProxy comes in. FlashProxy Unlimited Residential Proxies are built for heavy, 24/7 usage. There are no data caps and no bandwidth limits. You get real residential IP addresses with fixed monthly pricing, so you always know exactly what you're paying. With 99% uptime, you can rely on stable and consistent performance. Inside the FlashProxy dashboard, you get full control and customization. You can adjust speed settings depending on your workload. You can modify server specifications based on your performance needs. Everything is designed to give you flexibility and control. Whether you're managing multiple accounts, running automation tools, or handling large-scale platform operations, FlashProxy provides the stability and power you need. If you're looking for a strong alternative to PYProxy Unlimited Residential, FlashProxy is ready for you. Check the links in the description to learn more and get started today. FlashProxy. Unlimited. Stable. Powerful.